So here at Albury Organic Vineyard, so we are in England, it's quite a joke thinking that we had to have an English vineyard, a German machinery and an Italian vineyard manager combined together forces to succeed in one of the probably higher issue, which is weed control for a biodynamic managed vineyard. Well, Johan, thank you very much. I found the Clemens machine, the Radius, very effective as an under-vine cultivator. I have been trialing various other form and shape of a similar machine, but this is definitely the one that works for us, and is reasonably simple even for a woman to operate, and perhaps not the dismantling of it, because some pieces are quite heavy, but it does a nice fine job. Obviously we have quite a heavy cover under the vine, being biodynamic. We couldn't use herbicide until ever since we planted the vines, so our growth on the vine is very thick, and despite that the Radius managed to do the job that we wanted. We also trial and purchase the brushes, and we're very happy with the brushes, and I think the way forwards for us in our position as we are now is to go through with the brushing first to get rid of the excess vegetation, and then operate the Radius. So this has perhaps an easier job to remove the unwanted weeds cover. And obviously we will need to go through perhaps a couple of times before we have the finest results. But I think, starting off this year, we are at the end of the season now, but next year we should be able to have clear rows and finally reduce their level of competition for the vines.